Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't normally say that. Why did I say that? Let's try it again.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be playing with a sponge. It's a different sponge, it's not a beauty blender, it's not one of those silicone sponges that has been around for a little bit now. This one is a fabric fuzzy sponge. Now I know these have been out for a while now, however I haven't tried one, and I actually encountered this at my local Winners, which is similar to a Marshall's, and I got it for $5. So I really wanted to try it. These are supposed to be similar to the Juno and Co. Microfiber sponges. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it is a nice light blue sponge, really fuzzy. And the center of it over here is actually a different color. Now, I don't know if that's a different material as of yet, but I will let you know. But this is from the brand Danielle Creations, and it's called the Dual Purpose Blending Sponge. It says it's non-latex, dual-sided, hygienic, mess-free, and you of course can use it with powder or liquid. So I just painted my nails, which was a really bad idea. If you notice, I don't have acrylic nails at the moment. They're really ugly right now. It says, please excuse
the monstrosity.
it's like a light blue color, and then in the center it's like a different material. It's not as fuzzy as the outside compared to my beauty blender. It's like, I don't even know, like it has more, this part has more stiffness in the beauty blender. Let's wet this, let's see if it expands, and I will be right back. As you can see, after I wet it, it did get so much bigger, which is nice. The middle part did lighten up a bit, so it's not as gray as it was when it was dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to prime. I'm first using the Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. As you guys know, my skin right now is atrocious. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little tanned. I came back from vacation on Tuesday, and my skin has been really bad since then, so I really need to go book in a facial. So the foundation that I've currently been using, one for the sole purpose that it currently matches me. This one is the Guerlain Booster Multi-Perfector. That's what it looks like. And this one is in the shade 4 medium. So I'm going to use this one. This one is pretty dewy, and it's pretty light to medium coverage. I just want to be a bronzy, glowy goddess. You feel me? I'm going to pretend it's summer, okay? So we're going to pump a little bit of this foundation onto here. I usually go in with 2 pumps of this, so let's put that on the skin. Okay. I can already tell you that this is giving me more coverage than the Beauty Blender. Like, what the heck? I'm being honest. When I put this on with a beauty blender, when I put it on with the brush, this thing I have to build up. It doesn't build up like this initially. It builds up after multiple layers of pumping a little bit more, putting a little bit more here, a little bit more here. And this is already like giving me more coverage than normal. But I'm really liking this. So I feel like I can use less of this foundation because it's expensive. It's expensive. For real, guys? Okay, that's a lot of light. That looks so good. I don't know if you can see. Let me just lower the light so you can see. up close. Ooh. This is how my skin currently looks, and let me tell you, my skin sucks right now. So holy moly. So far I'm really liking this for $4.99. Like, damn. I will conceal. I got a little haul. I don't know. Do you want me to show you? I'll just include it in this video just because I know we're reviewing the sponge, but I'm just going to show you. I also got this Japanese domed powder brush. It's a really small one. Let me show you. I haven't tried this yet. Like, I literally went last night. So this is what it looks like. I was really intrigued by the shape of it, and I thought it would be really nice for contouring and such, so I got this. And I heard Japanese brushes were really good, so yeah, and this was only $7.99. So I'm excited to try that. What did I also get? I also got the Flower Beauty Cover Up, which is, yeah, this was $4.99. So we'll be trying this out today. Okay. And oh my gosh, guys, I got the cutest shorts. Okay, look. These, I think, are from Aerie. Yeah, they're from Aerie. And these are metallic shorts. Like, how cute are these? Look at that. It is so reflective. I thought it was fun, so I got it. And these were only $12.99. So I really liked how they look, and I thought they were super cute, so I got that. This shirt, I know that prints right now are all the rage. They're in snake print, tiger print, cheetah print, you name it. That's all in right now. So I got this shirt. It's a really nice, just like shirt like this. I don't know, I thought it was really cute. And this was on sale for $11, so I got this. And lastly, one of the best things that I got Key sunglasses for 20 bucks. Are you living? Nice, and for 20 bucks. So we'll see. This is weird, it's not all the way up. But I don't know what shade this is. This is CU2, that's all I know. So let's try this. This might be a bad idea. I'm gonna do one eye. I'm gonna use this part in the middle, which I think is for concealer. I can tell you the sponge kind of feels like it dried up a bit. Like, it doesn't feel moist, but it still held its shape. Do you guys see what happened? It left this area really weird, but I don't know if that's the concealer. Moving on, let's just go back to my concealer, okay? Bendy avocado concealer, and we're gonna put that here, okay? Because I love this concealer so much. So I'm tapping. Wow, it looked really crazy. I don't like this part right here. I'm wondering if I flip it over and use the actual fuzzy side, maybe it'll look better. This is how my skin currently looks. I lower the lighting so it's not obnoxious, and then you can actually see a little more. Let's see. Right. I love this powder. However, I think the actual container it's not the greatest. I think it's super messy. So I'm just gonna put some of that powder underneath. It's so weird. It feels dry, but it's still so pink. You know what? Let's just use my Dior Quad. I'm first gonna go in with the contour shade over here, and contour first. Let's see. I've already been using this disclaimer. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Bar, And this one is like the Fire collection from the Zodiac. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to put it, okay, we'll see, because I know how this highlight performs, okay? Okay, so nice. It picked up so much product though, so again, be careful. Like, it's so pretty. Like, how can you not? You only have $5 with you? Like, hi. You know, it's just that good.
I'm loving this sponge.
This is the final look, guys. I think, I'm gonna be honest, I know my hair is like so messy right now, that this sponge, amazing. I love it. I really do. I think it blended everything really quickly. I feel like you use less product than you would normally, so in turn, if you have a really expensive foundation, for example like this one, you wouldn't be using as much of it, meaning you would not have to repurchase as often. This was really, really good, so I would recommend it for sure. Oh, I did like this brush, by the way. I think it's a really nice brush to get into the cheekbones, just to contour out a little bit. If you have not yet, please give this a like. Subscribe down below if you have not yet already. By the way, turn on your notification posts. That way you're notified when I upload. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.